Salut, c'est Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb être in present tense. In French verbs, this is one of the most important verbs. So I would like you to watch this tutorial till end. Être, which means to be. It's an auxiliary verb and is one of the most powerful verbs in French. It will also help you to talk about the past. That is, we need this verb conjugation in present tense to conjugate in past tense. Okay, then let's see how to conjugate this verb in present tense. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, one is or we are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, elles sont, they are. One more time, and this time please repeat after me. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. On est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Now about pronunciation. There are two liaisons. Here, on est and here, vous êtes. Now you may be thinking, what is liaison? Well, liaison is a link between two words, where the first one ends with a consonant and the second one starts with a vowel or an H. When we make liaison, the final consonant of the first word, which generally remains silent, no longer remains silent. We pronounce that, like here, on est. Generally it's on, n is silent, right? But with est, a, which starts with a vowel, we made liaison here. That is, we are pronouncing the silent n, on est. And sometimes, final consonants in liaisons change pronunciation, like here, vous êtes. You can hear that S doesn't sound like S. It gets changed, sounding like Z, Z sound. This is because when S comes before a vowel, it sounds like Z, Z sound. Vous êtes. Now about the silent letters. Je suis, not je suis. S is silent. Il est, elle est, on est. T is silent. Nous sommes, S is silent. Vous êtes, S is silent. Ils sont, elles sont, T is silent. That we don't pronounce them. Okay? Now, let's see some examples using this verb conjugation in present tense. Je suis médecin. I'm a doctor. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Il est beau. He is handsome. Ils sont au Canada. They are in Canada. In other example, ils sont partis. They left. This sentence is in the past. That is, we use this verb être to make sentences in past tense. There are some differences with English. Let's see them. If you want to say your age, like I'm 50 years old, and you may think that the translation of this sentence in French will be like je suis 50 ans, but this is not correct. You have to say j'ai 50 ans. That is, you have to use the verb avoir to have instead of être. If you are feeling cold or hot, and if you want to say I'm cold or I'm hot, you can't say je suis froid or je suis chaud. This is not correct. You have to say j'ai froid or j'ai chaud. And I'm hungry or I'm thirsty, you can't say je suis faim or je suis soif. This is not correct again. You have to say j'ai faim, or j'ai soif. Okay? Let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. The conjugation of the verb être in present tense. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. I think that's enough for today's lesson. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing my channel as I upload new tutorial for you every week. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt, au revoir. Bye bye.